All right, this is a new wireless lavalier microphone for your mobile device or tablet. I picked this up because I'm always out on the go doing recording using my mobile device, and the microphone on that is just not the best, especially if you're trying to put out quality videos. So you're going to definitely need something like this. It's not very expensive. It has great reviews. So I decided to pick one up and just try it out and see if it's going to work for me. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see exactly what comes inside of the box. And we're going to also plug it up and do a microphone test and test out the audio. We'll go ahead and take it out of this box, and we have a nice little carrying case that this comes in, which is pretty handy. So let's go ahead and open it up. And once we open this thing up, we can see what we got. First thing that we notice is we have not one, but two microphones. All right. So in case you're talking with a guest, you have two microphones that you can record with. Next thing that we have is the adapter here, the aux cord adapter. And this also has the USB Type-C plug right here. So that way you can plug your mobile device into this if you do not have an auxiliary on your phone. And then right here we have all of the adapters that's going to be needed depending on if you have a Samsung or a Apple device. We're going to make sure that you have the correct adapter included. And then we also have the instruction manual right here in the carrying case. So what we have here on the adapter, once you take off the protective plastic, you have the power button located right here. All right, so you just hold this down for 2 seconds, and then a LED indicator will come on letting you know that this device is turned on. And then on the microphone, you also have a power button that is located right here on the back of the microphone. You'll hold that down for 2 seconds, and that will turn it on. Just for the aesthetics of the microphone, you have a nice little silver ring right here. It makes the microphone look pretty nice. They're pretty light. I would say size-wise, it could be a little bit smaller, but we'll test it out and see if it's going to work. Seeing that it's not that heavy, it's not going to drag on your shirt. So we'll go ahead and test that out. All right, so testing. This is the USB lavalier wireless microphone. I'm going to go ahead and move it some distance and see the difference in sound quality from talking from this distance. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then on the shirt, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So hopefully this thing sounds amazing. We'll have to play the video back just to see the quality of this microphone. But it looks really nice. I think this should do the trick for what I'm looking for. Hopefully you guys like it. If you found this video helpful, make sure that you give it a good share. Bye.